Hello everyone! We recently posted a video on how to change the color of the light in the speedometer instrument cluster without having to change the LEDs, but in a very easy way, just by placing colored foil. We cut three shapes of the film and scan them. I can send the file by messenger to anyone who wants to make. And in this video I will show you after download them how to print and make them one-to-one. After downloading the file, right-click to open it with 3D Paint. If you open it with another program, it may give a deviation in shape and not much. We print it with 2D Print. Now we check if it matches exactly. Here are no deviations from the shape and size. Here are and other two forms. We cut the forms out of the paper. You decide what color you want them to be. These plastic folders are sold everywhere. Those with a more saturated color also can be. In the absence of light, they glow in a very beautiful saturated color, but in daylight, almost nothing is visible through them. Therefore, it is better to make it from a more transparent foil, which is well visible in both lights, in daylight and dark. We want them to be blue because to be like the multimedia we installed in the car. So cut it, the film, you just need to put it between the dashboard and the car dial and glue it. In the previous video you can watch how we put them very easily without disassembling the speedometer instrument cluster. This is the address of our new Facebook page. If you wish, by the messenger there we can send you the files with these forms. I will put this page address also in the description and in the comments of this video. Please don't forget to like our page. Thank you for visiting our channel and thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. This means a lot to us. Bye bye, see you soon.